Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. That way you can get notifications. Hit that bell every time I send out a video. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. Give us a thumbs down if you don't. Any interaction would be great. Let's talk about credit repair. About 90% of everybody in the U.S. has something on their credit that's bad. And it usually takes 7 years to come off collections, late pays, bankruptcies, student loans. I mean, maybe there's a car that you want to get, or you want to get an unsecured credit card. Maybe these things you never ever had, but just due to your credit. Um, but there's a simple technique that people don't know, and people are getting. I'll say it, they're getting raped. They're getting raped for the money, and I'll tell you one Lexington law firm. They want to charge $100 a month, but people don't know that they can repair their credit themselves. All they need is the tools to do it, and they can do it themselves. I've made a package right here uh, that everything that you need to do it yourself. And what these letters have in it um, is we use the law. Section, as you can see right here, Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act does not care whether a negative account is valid or not. These letters dispute the credit reporting agency's right to report the adverse account, not whether or not the adverse account is valid. It might be medical bills. Um, I'll just give you an example right here. I had medical bills on mine. I couldn't pay it. I mean, I had surgery on my leg. I couldn't pay no 7,600. Give it to them. But it's on my credit, and it's hurting my credit. And they sent it to a collections agency. And let me tell you this right here, and I'll just go ahead and give you the secret. Uh, there's a HIPAA law. Now, what we do is we try to verify these accounts. Now, the credit bureau's got to validate these accounts of how they certified it, or how they've got to validate this to you. If they don't validate it to you, they got to take it off your credit report. And how they validate it to you is they got to have something, the original documents or something, um, to show that this account is yours. And if they can show that and they can prove it to you, then you say, who gave you permission to view my medical history? That's a HIPAA law violation. Nobody can see your medical history without you giving consent, written consent for that. And this takes the medicals off each and every time. We use the Section 609 of the Fair Reporting Act for late payments, collections, charge-off, repos, and stuff like that. But you can absolutely do this yourself, and I don't charge an arm and a leg. My prices are very, very, very low, just due to the fact of their letters. This is a step-by-step instruction ebook with all the legal demands, follow-up requests, everything that you need to send to these. We'll give you rounds to send in. We'll show you how you pull your credit report for free. We give you that link. You pull your credit report. You find out what's reporting negative onto your account, and then you start sending out letter one to all three credit bureaus. Now, they might come back and they might try to say, oh, this account is certified, or this account is valid. Oh, no, 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 no. We send letter two. And they come back. You'll see some come off, and you'll see some stay on. And the ones that stay on your credit report, then you go to the next round of letters. But you've got to give them time. They got 30 days to respond. Do not send more than one letter at a time. Send one letter, wait for them to respond. You can do this yourself. I mean, if you got bad credit, clear that credit up. This program right here that I'm putting together is going to show you how to go from bad credit to good credit, to how to get unsecured credit cards, and that's coming later into the future, coming soon. But right here is I'm gonna show you. First step you need to do is you need to clear up your credit first. And did you know that every single place that you've lived, most of it's going to be on your credit report, and all your telephone numbers, you need to have them take that off also. You only need to have one address on your credit report. You need to have one phone number. If you had several phone numbers in your life, and if you lived at several locations in your life, it's going to be on your credit report, and that looks bad. Definitely want to have that taken off. And these letters do it right here. I've had so many people send me testimonials about this packages, and thank you. I was paying $100 a month, and that's what they do. They bring you into their programs. They make you pay $100 a month, and these are the same letters that they send, and they only dispute a few of them at a time. This right here, you can dispute all of them at one time, get it done yourself. And the reason why they do that is that way you can still pay that $100 a month, $100 a month, $100 a month. You know, my packages start out at $15, and it's do it yourself. I'm not here to hoodoo anybody. This right here, you're getting more than what your money's worth. I mean, if you can clean up your credit for $15 with this package right here, hey, great, do it. And send me your testimonies. I want to know. I want to know how these letters help your take negative stuff off your credit. And also send me a message too. I'd love to put you in my testimonials on the website I'm building also. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, look, if you got bad credit and you went to go get a car, you're going to pay more. Then if you take this package right here, you clear up your credit history, you can get a car. Let's just say you went in with bad credit and you got a car payment, you're gonna be paying $400 or $500 a month. You go in after clearing your credit up, you can be getting a car for almost $200, $300 a month, depending on whatever car you get. You're gonna save yourself thousands and thousands of dollars. If you want a home loan, clear up your credit report. Get trade lines. I'm gonna show you how to put positive trade lines on your credit history, so that way, whenever you do go get credit, there's gonna be positive things that are reporting. You need to notice it's not only just about clearing up your credit, but it's also putting trade lines on there. So when people do pull you out, there's a history there of great credit, and I'll show you how to do all that too. That all that. All that in the near future as the website's being built. But I have one package right now. It's the $15 package, and it's really step one. And step one is taking all the old addresses off, old telephone numbers off, and clearing up your credit, whether it's late payments, collections, charge off, repos, any negative items that are on your account. And I'll show you how to do that with ease. Um, to be honest with you, this would only take probably about 30 minutes, and you can have your first letters sent out. And then you wait for the credit bureaus to respond. You'll probably see a few taken off, a few still on there, and the ones that are still on, then we send round two to them. Everything's in the ebook, and all the letters are there. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video I make. Right here, I do not promote anything I don't use myself. I had used this myself. I had eight medical bills on my credit. I have 5 of them taken off within my first month, and I got 3 left. I'm sending round 2 as soon as I get my next letter back from I think it was Equifax TransUnion one. I've already received 2 letters from 2 of my credit bureaus. I'm just waiting on the 3rd one, and then I'm gonna send my round 2 letters. But everything is packaged. It shows you how to do it, where to do it, when to do it, everything you need to know. And then plus, you can message me on Facebook. Anything you need help with, I'll be glad to help. All right, guys. Links in the description below. I'll see you on the other side.